Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Prerna and today I'm going to talk to you about something I have been struggling with for a very long time, and now I have finally figured it out, and that is how to extend the shelf life of homemade almond milk. So make sure you stay tuned till the end because I am going to share all my tips and tricks on how to do this. Before soaking the almonds, we need to rinse them properly and remove all the dirt from the almonds. And then you soak them in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours or overnight, but not more than 24 hours. And when you grind them, make sure you do it only in filtered water. Make sure the machine and the bottle in which you are going to store is completely sterilized. Strain the milk using a spoon and a double mesh strainer and not your hands. And before you store them in the refrigerator, make sure the almond milk has cooled down completely in room temperature, and then you store it in the fridge. Make sure you check out my recipe of how to make almond milk at home. So that's it for today guys. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel and clicked on the bell icon so that you are notified every time I post a new video. See you next time. Bye.